Hi, today on Western Roundup, we head to Westmoreland where over 40 youngsters graduated from a youth empowerment program. Then we hop over to Flanker in St. James where residents are beaming with pride over their newly refurbished health center. Stay with us. Young people from across Westmoreland have been better equipped to take up their role as future community leaders, having recently participated in the Social Development Commission's inaugural Young Educated Leaders Lead Program YEL. The initiative, which is sought to build leadership skills among the youth, is being hailed as a success.
It was great because, I contribute my success overall in my 19 years so far of life to the opportunities that I've been given. And this program was just another opportunity to better myself, to learn more, and you can never stop learning. So this program was just another step to learning. So it was awesome.
Personally, it helped me with my confidence. It helps me to move towards things, and I'm also planning to create a youth club in my community, so it's been a good experience so far. Yes, I would recommend a program like this to wider Jamaica, to occupy young males like myself in making progress and being productive.
The program, which lasted just over a month, included training sessions in parliamentary procedures, team building, good citizenship, debate, and other activities. The venture also served as a platform for succession planning.
This training program is an idea that came up when we saw the deficiencies in the parish of Westmoreland. Many of our leaders have been serving for many years and they're now elderly persons. What we sought to do was to get young people trained to ensure that they can be succession planning within the framework of governance in the parish. And so these young persons were trained to ensure that the leadership continues and that they succeed, those who have served for many, many years.
The YEL program began in October and concluded on November 20 with a debate competition and closing ceremony at the Source in Savannah Lamar under the theme Youth, the Cornerstone of Nation Building.
If participation in community development is not relevant, as the opposition will claim, then how exactly is the common citizen expected to be an active one and not a passive one? How does the ordinary higgler or local shop owner or just any other community member play their part in nation building? How does the progression of communities become a reality?
Meanwhile, over in Flanker St. James, the residents are expressing gratitude for the recently rehabilitated Flanker Health Center. The project, which was completed in April, included the construction of 2 new consultation rooms, 2 treatment rooms, a health inspector's office, and an administrative office. The facility also received new roofing and perimeter fencing.
I'm just glad for this center now and the improvement that it will be to the community and other adjoining communities. This health center was here so long, and we needed the change. And now the change has come. I don't think we as residents we are glad for it, and I hope all residents will facilitate it and use it wisely.
Yes, I like how they upgraded. It's so beautiful. I like it.
What I'm seeing I've done to this community, it's so wonderful. The health center, we get a better health center in this community. I can come and take my pressure, heart problem, whatever, them check me. And it's so wonderful. We have a nice building here. Oh my God, we get a good health center in this community of Flanker.
More than 3,000 residents in Flanker and neighboring communities are expected to benefit from the health center. The facility was rehabilitated at a cost of 47.3 million Jamaican dollars under the Jamaica Social Investment Fund JSIF Poverty Reduction Program with funding by the European Union. That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed the program. As usual, thanks for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, take care.